You better run fast. I need like 8 racks. How long blade make big gap? Crazy, I'll admit that. You better run fast. I need like 8 racks.
What's good, y'all? Let's here. Come back to Live It today. Ready to react to Lil Yachty Cortex. If you're new, subscribe, and I'm starting in 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Polishing the goddamn sword, you know what I'm saying? Polishing the sword. Concrete family.
Bro, that beat, that beat came from the 80s. This is how you know he's about to go crazy.
Niggas is not really killers. I seen them shoot up. They treat me like heroin. Everyone wanna be kings, but niggas too soft. See me, I got fair skin.
Oh. That boy hit me with the hollow tip bar. A hollow tip bar. That's how fire it is, bro. That's how fire it is. He hit me with the hollow tip bar. That's how cold it is.
My niggas quick to resemble your wig. Nickname take is arrogant. Not in your bitch.
Like, quick to assemble your wig. Bro. This man is cold. Now, I don't know if I'm hyping it up too much, but hey, this is my channel, my reaction. So is he.
My kids treat a little bit like a surrogate. Buy new quick cause I needed my space. I come out new shit to tell everybody. Only them niggas see what I saw. Like a walk around, they feel me. Dog up the government, knew what I knew perfectly. Honestly, they kill me.
If the government knew what I knew, they'd probably kill me. I'm speechless right now. Comment what y'all think of that bar. Comment how y'all feeling about that bar. Cause me, it left me speechless. Y'all know how I'm feeling. Y'all know how I'm feeling. Bruh, the whole circle edit is making the bars hit harder. It's making the bars hit way harder. Like he was like, I'm gonna put like. Better than a million. Boys. Bro. This man is just going, bro. He's going and going and going with this heat, bro. He is going and going. He won't stop. If I don't pause this, he's not gonna stop, bro. I gotta pause and let the man breathe. This man is he's putting heat out on autopilot. On autopilot. Non-stop autopilot heat.
Ain't nobody gonna check me.
Look at the man vibing in the background like this. I'm telling y'all, bro, that's how you know this is too fire. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Told that F in with them big bills we put down T-Rex. I don't know if I said the right lyrics, but y'all get the gist of it. that was just heat. Too many. We got multiple on multiple. We got too many polls. We got Lefty, we got Rodney, we got one over there in Cuba, we got one over there in New Mexico, we got one over there in Japan. Like, we got so many.
We got too many lows. Out in LA, we got too many balls.
Hold on, because the way he just paused, I just heat. That was mean. Stank face. have to check if I'm still recording because this is something else out of this world for real.
Better than millions. Niggas can't fuck with the boys. Us pulling out the Rolls Royce, bitch on Moyes, fill my boy. Pop up blue like boys, niggas too noisy, came around.
Why is he going so hard? Why? I want to know. I want to know why I'm bobbing my head like this. Non-stop. Even when I'm going like this, I still hear it in my head.
Simple like John, need my crown, pearl like oysters. Why go shopping like quarters? 10,000 shoes, feeling like orders.
Us, bruh. Wow. He did it. He did it. He did that for real. Hey, this is the end of the reaction. If y'all enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
Hey, can I bother? Can we Thomas the trainer? I think I can. Pull up and water me like I'm dead in revenge. My the big face of 2 can